Hello YouTube, this is part 2 of the inverter fridge freezer which I told you about on other video. I'm just going to couple it up. I've got my 2 batteries, but these are not the batteries that's supposed to have come. I've got these batteries locally from somewhere else. That guy has not even got back to me or anything, so these are 2 of the batteries which are all bought locally. Yes, I've paid a little bit more for these batteries, but it's local, so I don't need to mess about with internet. I can just take them back if all goes wrong with them. This is the fish freezer which I was telling you about. 40, 60 freezer, 40 fridge. So here's an unboxing. I've already took straps off it. I've had it a couple of months, but here's the unboxing and we're going to couple it up to inverter. As you can see, turn it round so you can see it. That's freezer, which would be ideal for that. That's freezer. I don't know what was in there for freezer, but that's freezer. There's angles hopefully in here for that one. Oh, that's what it was. It's all doing so there. Obviously there's be some stuff in here, angles and that, but we're not bothered about that today. All we're bothered about is to couple it up to inverter. Right, back in a minute YouTube. Again, we're going to look at specs on back to make sure it can be powered. Right, rating voltage 220, 240 volts. Radiator frequency 50 Hz, current 55 amps, light power 10 amps, energy consumption 0.47 kilowatts 24 hours. Freezing capacity 2.0 kilograms over 24 hours, so it's all like 24 hours like that. Energy consumption 4.47 kilowatt over 24 hours. So yeah, total cross volume 88 litres. Refrigerator storage volume 60, freezing storage volume 22 litres, 2-star storage volume 4 litres. So yeah, anyway, it's a power it, so back in a minute. That's it out of box. I've also got the remote no scent. I thought it was a bit better quality than this, to be honest, although he sent it me. Thank you to the guy who sent it me. I'm a bit disappointed. All it is an off and on switch. I could have made it an off and on switch myself. Just turns it on and off low. That's it on. And that's it off. Just 2 wires. So right, we're going to couple fridge up now. Right, I'm going to plug it in. The wrong side in it, you know. Hopefully Tash can still see it. There, I'm going to plug it in now. There, that's it plugged in. I'm going to use the remote to turn it on. There. It's using 0013. So that's perfect. not even dropped on voltage because I've got a voltage meter up here, look. It's dropped 0.1 volt, 0.1. It's 12.23, flashing 12.23 because the lights on. I've got lights on it van and they're not LED, so they're using a bit. When I first come to the van, it was 12.7 that meter, and when I put lights on, it went down to 12.2 because of lights, and engine's not running. It's just dropped 0.1. It was 0.2 flashing 3, so and it's settling down fridge. Obviously if I had doors shut it'd be quicker. So what number is fridge on? Oh, that's turned me up. Yeah, that's 7 a minute. So I could turn it down. House one we have about 3. I can feel cold already. Yeah, I can feel cold already. In fact, I've got a meter here. Let's just try it. You can see it's still only 13 watt. Well, it's not even watt. There, watch. That's 15 Celsius, so you know it's cold. I do it in Fahrenheit. Oh, when I do it right. That's 58. Well, it's just under 59, look. Let's say 59 Fahrenheit, 15 Celsius.
It's not focusing on it, isn't it?
Can you see now, Tash?
Yeah.
Right, that's Celsius. I'll go to Fahrenheit, that's 15.3 Celsius. That's 15 Celsius. I'll flick it for American, 60 Fahrenheit. So we know in UK 15 Celsius is 60 Fahrenheit in USA and various places. So right, I'm going to pause it for a minute, YouTube. I'm going to go in house for half an hour and then come back out and check all his voltages and coolness. Let's check the freezer. Let's check the freezer. That's just a bit of rubber for packing. Right, so it's Celsius freezer, 16 Celsius, let's say 17 because of, yeah, because of point, so let's say 17 Celsius.
Why focusing on it?
Is it because of me moving, Tash?
I don't know, I'm just quite focused.
Tell me when you move, when you sort of, you can see number.
16 I can see.
Right, 16, that's 16 Celsius, 61 Fahrenheit. Right, so 61 Fahrenheit, 16 Celsius, and I'm going to give it half an hour, YouTube. So back in half an hour, YouTube. To you, it'll be a minute. Let's. Need to put these on. Right, YouTube, back again. Absolutely amazed with this fridge. Literally, it's ticking over. For you, it sounds like a cricket artist says, which it does. It's ticking over. Obviously, it's froze. Pump's not on, so it's just ticking over. And if you look at the meter here, it's 0. When I saw it, I heard it click off because I could hear pump going. When pump clicked off, it was 13 on end. 0, 0, 13. So that's like 1.3 watt. If it's a point, I can't tell now. But it's still on fridge, we can hear it. It's still ticking over, keeping cool, and it's empty. If it's got boxes in freezer, etc. full, and bottles of milk and pop and packets of food in fridge, it'd be even less to use. It's not even registering on meter on inverter, and I can hear it. It sounds like a cricket because it's ticking over. And even when I put light on, when I opened the fridge, remember it was 15 Celsius and 60 something Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to open the fridge and check coolness. It was 15 Celsius before. It's still cooling down and it's on number 3 if you can see it. If I had it like I said, with food in, pot, etc., vegetables, milk and eggs or whatever, it'd be even better. But it's 12 Celsius, it's still cooling though. I got it back, 6. So let me just settle it down and I'll stop moving. So it's 7 Celsius, 40, 50 Fahrenheit. So it's definitely cooling. That's the fridge. Obviously, freezer's going to be even less, hopefully. So right, I'll open it a little bit. I can feel it. I can feel cold. -10, -9, 10. You can see minus there. Minus sign Celsius. I put it in Fahrenheit. Hey?
Focus on it.
Right, wait, focus. You've got to trust me. Tash said it's not focusing.
Oh wait.
Just pass me to a Tash. So that's Fahrenheit at minute. It's on 13 Fahrenheit, 12 Fahrenheit when I've stopped moving. I keep wiggling YouTube. So, right. So I'll put it back to Celsius. It's minus.
Yeah.
-9 and 14, 15 Fahrenheit. So that's below freezing. And I ain't got it turned up, I've only got it on number 3. So if I had it full of food and on number 3, by the time I go a couple of hours to coast anywhere, that'll be all sorted, batteries will be charged, and it ain't kicked back on yet. I could feel coldness when I open the freezer, so it's working that. It's cooling all the time, even though it's not using any voltage. But it's still same as when I started. It's roughly half an hour, just over now. So a big thumbs up. It was 192 quid this. It's a fairly new model for 17, and he says it's the lowest energy you find. I didn't want 3-way gas, electric and 12 volt. There's a lot of messing about. This inverter is perfect. By the time I've got, by the way, I didn't say they're not LED, they're halogen lights in here. You can see there's 2, 4, 6. So they're using a lot of power. So I'm going to take all these lights out for LED dome lights with a switch on, like van life, marked at van life, e-fitted dome ones like the fitting Navabots. That's what I'm going to have in here. One at back and one at front, and a little LED for when we open sliding door. So that's, I think it's part 5 this. So fridge is a funnel, inverter's a funnel.
It's moving now.
Oh, right, it's just turned back on, look, because we've had doors up and it's gone back to 13. And you can hear fish now. You can hear motor. That's pump. And it's idly using batteries. These lights that's killing batteries, if old. So by the time these get took out, which they're going to be took out in the next few weeks, I'm going to fit the LED. I'll be using nothing. So 2 LED and a LED for when I open door with a remote. And my son said he wants to buy me some strip lights. He's been on about the money track, he's doing his heads in with it. So I've told him, right, so I'm going to buy one of them in like a 20-metre roll.
I'll send them.
I'll go round the van, and that can be as light when we're coming back to Vantage.
Yeah,
You can just turn, put remote in his pocket. Right, thank you YouTube, that's part 5. Task don't want them to be too long, and I don't actually, so hopefully this is about 12 minutes now. So thank you, part 5 done.